This is Lisa West, aka Fairy Tale. If you came from SoundCloud, I just want to thank you for finding me. Thank you so much for your great comments and encouragement about my music. I really appreciate it. I have gotten a lot of great feedback on the song Whistling Bird, and I really appreciate that. It's funny because a lot of people think that I was playing the guitar when you hear the plucking, and it's really the cello. And the day that I was coming up with this song, I was just sitting down with the cello and had it like this and just started singing it and plucking at the strings. And so I wanted to play the simple version for you. I hope I don't mess up, but if I do, you'll understand. I'm nervous. Whistling bird, I hear you call my name, and when I hear you call my name, I know you've come near to hear of all I have seen the night, the running of the fearful beast I found. They're whispering softly in their burrows underground. They grow quite silent at the sound of my wings. They don't want you to know, but my eyes, they see these things. Whistling bird, I hear you call my name, and when I hear you call my name, I know you've come near to hear of all I have seen in the night. The little foxes and the vines that wither to die, the tiny babe left out to the frost and its haunting cry. The wolf stops silent at the beating of my wings. My eyes cannot help but to see these things. Whistling bird, I hear you call my name, and when I hear you call my name, I know you've come near to hear of all I have seen in the night. So if you want the longer, the much better sounding version, if you're coming from YouTube and you've not been on SoundCloud, go to my SoundCloud link. You'll see a little white cloud in an orange box. Go there, check it out. I think you'll like the longer version better than what I just played. But thank you so much for watching.